Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Code. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please check the link below. In this video, we will introduce the MLKit Scene Detection Service. The Scene Detection Service can classify the scenario content of images and add labels such as outdoor scenery, indoor places and buildings, etc. Based on the detected information, we can create more personalized app experience for users. Currently, this service supports on-device detection on 102 scenarios. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website, go to console, AppGallery Connect and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to the next screen. Select Manually enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA 256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnect-services.json file. Add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in AppGallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and all projects section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file, add the latest version of MLKit scene detection libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add the lens, engine preview, an extended class of view group to hold the camera preview screen. Add other widgets. Create a layout for dialog. Open the scene detection activity of the application. Request for permissions. Set the camera configuration values. Create a class lens engine and initialize its object. Create and add the callback buffer for the preview screen. Start the preview screen. Implement the camera preview callback interface. Create an object of class SceneDetection Transactor and pass the confidence value. Get the MLScene Detection Analyzer setting object. Get the MLScene Detection Analyzer object. Call the async analyze frame method and pass the frame. Create a method to get the results along with the image. Set the values in the text view. Create an intent to select image from gallery. Set the bitmap, release the resources and initialize again. Get the ML frame from selected bitmap. Call analyze frame and pass the ML frame object. Get the results. Set it in the dialog layout. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try out to do that. Open newly installed app. It will open camera preview. It will show the detected scenes and its confidence from camera stream. Tap on select static image. It will take you to pick an image from gallery and display the detected image scenery and its confidence. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.